What's the most critical aspect of running a business? It's paying your employees. But it's not that simple. You need to ensure that your payroll process is both efficient and keeps your employees happy and satisfied. An easy way to achieve that is to use QuickBooks Payroll. In this guide, we will explore the best payroll methods to pay employees. By the end, you'll clearly understand how to streamline your payroll process and ensure satisfaction across your workforce with QuickBooks Payroll. Before we begin, let me address why we picked QuickBooks Payroll for this video. After evaluating various software, my team and I think QuickBooks stands out in terms of efficiency, convenience, and employee satisfaction. Plus, QuickBooks is trusted by thousands of businesses for its reliability and ease of use. So as we go through each payroll method, we'll explain how QuickBooks can streamline each. First, there are direct deposits. This method is most common and preferred by employees. Wages are transferred directly into employees' bank accounts on payday. This method is not only convenient, but also reduces the administrative burden on your HR team. Some key benefits of direct deposit include reduced risk of lost or stolen checks, faster access to funds for employees, and improved efficiency and accuracy in payroll processing. In addition, direct deposits foster a sense of security and reliability among your workforce. Employees appreciate the predictability of receiving their wages on time without any delays. This is where QuickBooks Payroll comes in. QuickBooks not only supports direct deposit, but also automates the entire process, ensuring accuracy and timeliness without any effort on your part. With same-day and next-day options, you benefit from faster payout timelines. Next, we have pay cards. These are prepaid cards onto which an employee's wages are loaded each payday. Pay cards can be a great and flexible alternative for employees who do not have a bank account. Benefits of pay cards include accessibility for unbanked employees, reduced need for paper checks, and easy access to funds through ATMs and point-of-sale transactions. However, it's essential to ensure that the pay card provider offers low fees and widespread ATM access to maximize their benefits. If you're considering pay card options, QuickBooks partner company Intuit has teamed up with Netspend to provide the Netspend Visa prepaid card exclusively for Intuit full-service payroll customers. Mobile payment solutions are also becoming increasingly popular. Platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and others allow employers to transfer wages directly into an employee's mobile wallet. Key benefits of mobile payment solutions include instant access to funds, enhanced convenience for tech-savvy employees, and reduced reliance on traditional banking systems. Mobile payments are particularly appealing to younger employees who prefer the convenience of managing their finances through their smartphones. It's an excellent option for businesses looking to modernize their payroll processes. QuickBooks Payroll offers integration with several mobile payment platforms, ensuring that you can provide these modern payment methods to your employees seamlessly. Speaking of innovative payroll tools, let's focus on that. Software like QuickBooks Payroll not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Benefits of using payroll software include automated calculations and tax filings, integration with time-tracking HR systems, enhanced accuracy and compliance, real-time reporting analytics, and employee self-service portals for easy access to pay stubs and tax documents. QuickBooks Payroll in particular offers all of these benefits with its comprehensive tool suite. Finally, let's discuss payments for freelancers and contractors. These workers often prefer flexible payment options such as PayPal, wire transfers, and even cryptocurrency. By offering multiple payment options and ensuring timely payments, you can maintain positive relationships with your freelancers and contractors, which is crucial for ongoing collaboration. Key considerations for paying freelancers and contractors include flexibility in payment methods, clear terms and timelines for payments, and proper classification and tax reporting. QuickBooks Payroll simplifies managing payments for freelancers and contractors by ensuring compliance and timely payments without the usual administrative hassles. Additionally, QuickBooks offers one of the most competitive contractor payment plans on the market, making it a perfect fit for businesses that exclusively pay contractors. In short, choosing the right payment method for your employees can significantly impact their satisfaction and your payroll efficiency. Whether you opt for direct deposit, pay cards, mobile payments, cash payments, or payroll software like QuickBooks Payroll, it's essential to consider the unique needs of your workforce and your business. If QuickBooks sounded like a great option for you, be sure to check out QuickBooks using the link in the description. Or if you want to explore QuickBooks further before committing to it, then check out our review at Fit Small Business. Thanks for watching, and until next time.